Google Gemini just released a bunch of brand new upgrades that affect NotebookLM, Gemini, Google Stitch, AI Studio, and so much more. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what new use cases are unlocked and what these new changes are. Now, update number one that we need to go through is now when you come over to NotebookLM, and let's say that you are inside of a notebook, you are now going to see a new feature under Video Overview right here. So when we come over here, you could see that this now has a little arrow on it. We could see that if we click on it, there's a brand new type of format. You're now going to see cinematic content right here, which creates a rich, immersive experience that can unpack complex ideas of your sources through engaging visuals. A rich, immersive experience that can unpack the complex ideas of your sources through engaging visuals and storytelling. And we could see right here that we could actually come over here and we could ask this to keep the video to a specific aspect, aka a specific topic. We could have it take a specific narrative approach, and we could actually change what the visual style is going to be. Now, if we come over to Explainer, or if we come over to Brief, we could see that they actually show us these visual styles right here, but under Cinematic, they don't show you that. You literally just have to describe to it in text what you want that to actually look like. And once you actually go through and create this, and by the way, I do want to be 100% transparent, cinematic videos take way longer than explainer videos or brief videos, but it does create a way better video, and these videos could actually be uploaded to social media or something along the lines of that. Once it's actually done, we could see that we could come over here, we could rename it, we could download it, we could share it, and if we actually click on this right here, we could see exactly what this looks like. This made a 6-minute video, and I'm going to have my editor actually show you guys exactly what this looks like. And what you're going to notice is it's a lot more immersive, it's a lot more rich. It just creates a way more engaging video that'll work better for social media and things like that.
To draft confidential monthly intelligence reports on the true health of the global markets. These private memos, preserved in his archives, offer an unfiltered, real-time assessment of a global collapse exactly as it was unfolding. Economists view.
Now, the next change I wanted to show you that you probably missed is if you come over to Gemini now, you're now able to actually create music inside of here, and this is pretty cool. So we have Easter coming up, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say, make a song about Easter that is funny. And then what this is actually going to do is this is going to go through and this is going to generate a track about Easter. And guess what? You could actually upload images and tell it to make a track to an image. You could upload a video and tell it to make a track to a video. You could get this to make tracks, or you could describe what kind of feeling, what kind of emotion, what kind of track you want, or what you want it to be like. For example, you could say, hey, make a track like this, and it will actually run off and do it. The other thing that's pretty cool about this is this actually goes through and creates like cover images that you would be able to upload to Spotify or wherever you're going to be uploading music, which is pretty awesome. You could also get this to make beats. You could get it to make instrumentals. This right here is pretty amazing. And again, I want to show you exactly what this looks like.
Plastic grass and pastel everything. Another perfect family gathering. Woke up at dawn to hide.
Now, that's pretty cool that it actually went through and did that. And again, this is really cool because you could get this to do this with video. We could see right here, we could download it like that, or we could download the MP3 only. For the sake of this, I'm only going to download the MP3 because like I said, I'm going to send this to my editor so that he could put this in here and make it sound really good for you guys. But we could get this to create anything that you want. In addition to that, let's say that you didn't like it, you could get it to redo and it will completely redo it. In addition to that, you could listen to it really easy right here. We could see that this is actually doing this with Lyra 3, which used to be a model that was only accessible through Google Labs, but what Gemini is beginning to do is all the different labs that they have and things along the lines of that, they're beginning to put them into Gemini itself. Before we get into the rest of those upgrades, I wanted to make sure that you're staying on top of what's been happening in AI, because every single day AI is getting smarter and automating your work is getting way easier, and I want to make sure that you're not missing out on this, which is exactly why I'm going to reveal one product that is completely free and has changed the lives of tens of millions of learners, plus learners from more than 100 different countries. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, it is possible. What I'm talking about is going to be Outskill, a platform where you could learn and multiply all your AI learning in just 2 days, and this is completely free for you guys, which basically means that you're going to get an ROI without even investing a penny, because Outskill's 2-day live AI Mastermind is happening this weekend. It's 16 hours from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern on Saturday and Sunday, and this is designed for a global audience with a well-suited time. And the best part about this is if you go to the pinned comment below, you could sign up for this free learning today. And there are a lot of AI gurus and there are a lot of AI webinars out there, But Outskyll is different because you're not just learning from the world's first AI education platform. This is a platform that's constantly investing in the future and staying on the cutting edge of AI so that they could teach you exactly how to use it. Their main focus is 1, to make you AI independent, 2, to help you understand exhaustion gaps in the AI space and keep you up to date, 3, to increase your earning potential through implementing AI. And they're going to do all of this in just 16 hours because you're going to master building AI agents that plan, execute, and report for you, automating workflows that run even while you sleep, connecting tools like Sheets, Notion, etc. to create profitable systems, using AI to save hours every week and to get an unfair advantage at work. In addition to that, they're going to give you more than $5,000 worth of bonuses, which includes an amazing AI prompt Bible, a personalized AI toolkit builder, and even a roadmap to gain profit through AI that is going to top up your learning experience with them. Also, by registering right now, you're going to get access to their exclusive AI survival hackbook, which itself will keep you informed about the major AI shifts that are happening. On top of that, they have a great 4.9 out of 5-star rating on Trustpilot that definitely means they've impressed their learners. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and sign up for this today for free. Make sure you join their WhatsApp community to stay up to date on all the other changes. Now, the next change I wanted to walk you through is going to actually be to Google Sheets, because as we can see right here, we now have new AI enhanced tables. This will actually automatically generate columns for summarization, sentiment analysis, text generation, and so much more. We could see all of the different ones that are actually done here. We could see that they have a blank table, they have a call summary, they have an email response, ad creation, expense classification. They literally have tons of these. They have these for marketing. If we come over here, like ad creation or content tracker, they literally have everything that you could think of under here. In addition to that, if you actually come over to Gemini now, we can actually do a few cool things under here. First and foremost, you could actually see conversation history here now. We can actually ask this what it can do. And if we come over here, you could see that you could actually give this access to different tools right here. And this is now going to be able to access your Gmail, your Drive, your web search, your chat session, and if you want to add something in here, you simply just do @ and then this is actually going to run through everything that this actually has access to. For example, we could come over here, and since it also has access to the web, we could say something along the lines of, please create a TCF model for Tesla based on their last earnings report. Now, what this will actually do is go and research Tesla's latest earnings report, and it's going to create a discount cash flow model based on that, which is pretty insane that this is able to do this, because you could have this access your email, you could have it access your Drive, you can have it access the web, you could have it access all these different things, pull all of this in and actually be able to create things that otherwise you would have had to do. And this can now automate like a week's worth of work in just a few minutes, which is crazy. Now, I cannot emphasize this enough. This literally just did this in like 30 seconds. So we could see that this has gone through. It's pulled Tesla latest earning report. We could see their financial reporting and consensus estimates right here. This goes through the operating assumptions. This goes through the cash flow forecast. If we wanted to actually see where this is being pulled from, we could see because it actually cited it. Then this created this right here, and this inserted this right in here. We could click on insert, and this is insane that this literally just went through and did this. Again, we could get this to do this with pretty much anything that we want. And believe it or not, if we actually come over into our Drive right here, and let's say that we go to create something, for example, let's say we're going to create a Google slide, you are going to notice that the same thing now happens inside of Google Slides. In addition to that, if we come over here and let's say that we are going to operate inside of a Google document, the same thing here, we're now actually going to have Gemini inside of here. And look at all of these different building blocks that this has it for everything. If we come over to Gemini in the top right hand corner, we could also see that we have alpha over here, which gives us access to new things. And again, if we come over here, we can actually see all the different sources that we are going to be able to access right here. And this update is incredible. This just made Gemini way more useful. Now, the next update that I want to show you is actually going to be to Google Stitch, because we could see that this is now a new version of Stitch right here that can do some pretty cool things. So if we come over here, we could see that we can now access all of these different models. We could get this to ideate. For example, if we have a problem that we want to solve, this can actually go through and solve it and help us actually create solutions. We could actually upload things here and get it to redesign something. We could use Thinking 3.1 Pro or Flash right here, and we could see that we could get this to design things for app, for web, we can actually come over here and we can actually add in a design system if we wanted to. For example, if we had something specific that we want to do for our website, you would be able to do that. In addition to that, if we come over here, you could see that you could actually upload website URLs in here now. So you could upload a website and say, hey, redesign their homepage. For example, I'm going to come over here and I am going to click on redesign right here. I'm going to click on plus. We're going to add in a website URL. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab this website URL. We're going to come back over to Stitch and we're going to say, please redesign the homepage of this website to make it more modern. I'm going to put this to web. We're going to click on this. And this is literally now going to go through and this is going to redesign this website. Now, while that's actually going through and doing that, there was one other update that I wanted to show you. Inside of AI Studio now, if we come in here and we click on build, we could see that this is a brand new experience. You can now describe an app. Gemini is literally going to do the rest. If we click on plus right here, we could add in files. We could add in things from the drive. We could add in things from the camera. We could talk to this and we could see, we can now get this to add in database and auth using Firebase, and we could get this to do all of these other things. And this is basically going to allow you to leverage Google Gemini and all of these different things that it could do, like AI responses or video understanding or transcribed audio or generating speech. And we could come down here and actually browse a bunch of other things that have actually been created. And this is going to allow you to create whatever you want inside of here, which is pretty insane. You could also host it from here and you can create so many different things. In fact, if we come over here, we could see all the different apps. We could see different games. We could see things that involve Nano Banana and Nano Banana 2. And you could use this to come up with ideas for the next app or website that you're going to build. Oh, and if we come back over here, check this out. This has now literally gone through and this has made a brand new landing page here, which is insane because I want you to think about this. If we come over here and I actually show you what this website currently looks like, come over to contentbuddy.ai, we could see exactly what this looks like right here. Pretty basic, but if we come back over to Stitch, this is completely different here. And it literally even took in the things from what already existed on my homepage and just made it way more better. And guess what? Now, if I come over here and I come under preview, we could actually see what this looks like in a new tab. If we come under more, we could export it, we could download it, we could then put it into AI Studio and it will actually code it out. We come over here and modify this. If we come under generate right here, we could literally get this to go through and make the coded version. So this will then code this up for us. Absolutely insane. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through a bunch of other Gemini upgrades that you probably missed. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.